Welcome back to Mom and Home Hacks, where we explore the essential nutrition guide for a healthy and happy pregnancy journey today. We have curated a list of 11 superfoods that provide vital nutrients for both you and your growing baby's development. Let us start with eggs, a complete protein source containing essential vitamins that are crucial for your baby's cell growth. Always remember to cook eggs thoroughly and use pasteurized products to avoid harmful bacteria that could affect your delicate immune system. Next on our list is fatty fish like salmon, which is incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids and DHA for brain health. While fish is excellent, ensure it is low in mercury and fully cooked to safely support the developing nervous system. Almonds are a fantastic snack, packed with fiber, protein, vitamin E and iron to keep your energy levels stable all day. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with folic acid, which is vital for preventing neural tube defects. Incorporating these greens into smoothies or salads ensures you get the necessary vitamins to support healthy fetal growth and development. Do not overlook pumpkin seeds, as they offer omega-6, zinc, and iron, essential for the development of the brain and eyes. Dairy products like Greek yogurt provide the calcium needed to build strong bones for the baby while supporting your own skeleton. Please strictly ensure that all milk and cheese you consume are pasteurized to prevent infections like listeria during this sensitive time. Lean meats such as chicken or beef are excellent sources of high-quality iron, preventing anemia and supporting increased blood volume. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, essential for the growth of healthy tissues. Legumes, including lentils and beans, are great plant-based sources of fiber, protein, and iron, helping to prevent common pregnancy constipation. Fresh berries are packed with water, healthy carbs, and antioxidants, offering a sweet yet nutritious way to satisfy your cravings. Whole grains like oats and brown rice provide complex carbohydrates, giving you sustained energy to combat fatigue throughout the trimesters. Avocados contain monounsaturated fatty acids which help build the skin and brain tissues of your baby while keeping you full. Alongside these foods, drinking plenty of water is non-negotiable to form amniotic fluid and transport nutrients effectively to your baby. Creating a balanced plate with a variety of these foods ensures you cover all nutritional bases for a healthy pregnancy. As always, consult your healthcare provider before making significant diet changes to ensure they align with your specific medical needs. Thank you for watching Mom and Home Hacks. Stay healthy, eat well, and enjoy this beautiful journey of creating new life.